I had no knowledge of tint before, and so I learned there's different levels of tint, and there's tricks of the trade that really simplify things. My name is Michael Duran. I'm from Albany, Oregon. I did the auto detailing class, and now I'm doing the window tinting class. I started out as a mobile detailer, and I wanted to expand my knowledge and become a certified. So I looked up Right Look, watched a couple of their videos, and I decided this is where I was gonna come and learn and get certified. I learned, I took it back to my shop. I started getting multiple ceramic coating jobs, and it just grew and grew. Fast forward a year later, I'm here at the window tinting class because I wanted to add services to my shop. There was a lot of learning. I never done window tint installation or install or anything like that before, and now we've done a vehicle, we've done multiple trainings, so it's been a lot of hands-on stuff, which I love. It's really been interesting because, like I said, I had no knowledge of tint before. And so I learned there's different levels of tint and just how to prep it, cut it, heat it up, get the bubbles out, all that stuff. First day was installing a rear window, and I think we did it 6 times that day. And it was really hard because you had to heat up the whole rear window, and it just took forever. It was a real tedious process, but by the end of the day, we were doing it really well. Adrian's an awesome teacher. He's a chill guy, easy to get along with, very knowledgeable, and he made the session fun. I thought you took panels off and did all that kind of stuff, but there's tricks of the trade that really simplify things. There was 4 of us here, so we went in groups of 2s, and it was really nice that we kind of split up too, so I got to know the other groups. Everybody worked well together. Everybody was skilled at detailing or some sort of auto field. You learn from your partner as well. You learn from their mistakes, and they learn from your mistakes, and so it makes the process better. Pricing's, that's how you make your money, and so I think learning how much the product costs, what you could charge, and then trying not to make no errors in there so you make the most profit. And they go over all that stuff here. Well, I'm gonna go back and we're gonna install one of my employees' rigs, and after that we'll probably go public with it, put it on social media and say that we're gonna add window tinting to the services. I've already been talking to a few of my clients about it, so they're ready. I have a few people kind of waiting, and then we'll go from there and just watch it kind of snowball. Once again, my name is Michael Duran. My business is Shine On Auto Detailing and Reconditioning Center. I think if you have a dream of being a reconditioning specialist, go after it, get into these classes, get certified, get professional training, and then just start adding services to your business, and then watch it grow and grow and grow. And be disciplined, work hard, and good things will happen.